guys, Prince is here. Welcome to Abby classes, and in this video I'm going to be talk about some tips and tricks that gonna help you to amplify your English tremendously. Also, I'm gonna ask you some question about speaking English. Are you still hesitate all the time? Are you stuck when you complete the sentences? Are you still finding vocabulary all the time? Then good news for you, Prince is here and this video is made for you. And in this video I'm going to be talk about some tips and tricks that will help me to improve my English tremendously. Also, I'm gonna share some of my amazing secrets that help you to improve your English tremendously. So guys, you can speak English very fast that you can speak right now, or your English will be improved day by day. If you are new here, make sure you need to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So let's jump into it. If you are interested, please continue watching video. And guys, the way I'm gonna teach you, that's totally different from your traditional way of learning. Traditional way of learning means the way you learn from your childhood in order to speak English. And I do believe that all sucks. And if you understand, like, if that is work, then you are a good speaker right now. And I do believe, guys, you read the textbook and you make a list of words and try to memorize it. And after some time, you forget about all those word meaning. And when you speak English, you still finding vocabulary all the time. And it all happened because you are not using that kind of vocabulary in your daily life or your real life or natural conversation. And my suggestion is that, like, you need to read or memorize the full sentences. Like, Prince like Iron Man. And what is the meaning of like? You understand that? I don't believe you understand. Like, don't unlike means like, right? So Prince don't unlike Iron Man, and you understand the meaning and you never forget in your entire life. And the thing is that, like, if you follow my secret and if you remember and if you read the full sentences, then your English will be improved day by day and you will be speaking English very confidently and you will be enjoy to speak English. We are talking about the mistake which we are doing from our childhood. And the thing is that, like, we are going to translate the sentences from the Hindi languages to English languages. That all sucks. If you are doing so, then stop doing that. And if you want to much more fluent in English, then you have to think in English. And once you think in English, then you will get a strong conversation. And once you get the strong conversation, then your English will be improved day by day and you will be get great speak. People are thinking like they mastered in grammar classes. If you are master in grammar, still you are not able to speak English, then it is happening because you are thinking like, what is after that and what is after that, what is the grammar we are going to amplify, and this all sucks. And when you are thinking lots of things, then it's quite complicated when you speak English. And the thing is that if you want to learn grammar, then you need to go for a natural phrases. And once you go for a natural phrases, then you will get a sentences. And once you repeat the sentences, then you will get a proper grammar, right? And you will be speak English and you will be learn grammar very fast that you can learn right now. Most important thing, we are going to learn English from eyes, not from ears. And understanding is matter. If we are going to make a better understanding or deep understanding, then we have to learn English from ears. And most of the cases we are going to do the mistake from childhood, and this is the biggest mistake I do believe. If you do so, then that doesn't work. And if you are going to learn English from ears, that going to provide you a much more understanding, and that will help you to amplify your learning speaking English. And most of the cases people are learning English from eyes, not from ears. And if you learn English from your ears, then it will help you to amplify your understanding skill and your pronunciation skill. And if you go for a speak English, then that will help you to encourage you. My suggestion is that you need to listen at least 2 hours daily in order to improve your listening power and improve your understanding power. And if you want the material of English speaking, then you need to go for a natural story, natural phrases. You need to go for a movies, English movies, or a web series and newspapers, which is English. And if you go for a corporate newspaper, that's okay. And if you go for Times of India, that's beautiful. It will help you to amplify your English speaking and deep understanding and pronunciation skill and many more things. Guys, repetition is matter. If you repeat the sentences like natural phrases one times or two times or three times a daily, it's very benefit for your natural conversation. It will help you to amplify your conversation. If you repeat and repeat and repeat, it will help you to make deep understanding, and it will give you best opportunity to speak English. Guys, if you want much more classes like this, please comment below. And if you want a live classes or offline classes in order to speak English, then in the description box WhatsApp number and each and every details are there. You need to go there and click on link, and if you attend our live classes or offline classes, call me or text me directly on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.